Charm, luxury, investment. Just 3 words to describe this stunning home in downtown Charleston. I'm Heather Hamilton.
And I'm Donna Webb. Welcome to Trad Street, an iconic South of Broad home loaded with historic character and modern amenities. Come take a look.
Welcome to 160-162 Trad Street, an iconic South of Broad home offering historic details beautifully complemented with modern luxuries. This gorgeous Charleston Single home offers a rare, expansive driveway that leads to a fully landscaped backyard, perfect for entertaining. This home is perfectly subdivided into 2 individual apartments with separate entrances, making this an ideal turnkey investment with rental opportunity. The entire property has been thoughtfully restored and extensively renovated. Original exposed beams and refurbished floors create a captivating impact, combined with contemporary finishes throughout, a designer's dream come true. Both residences feature 3 bedrooms with 2 full baths, a total of 6 bedrooms and 4 full baths in all. Custom shiplap white walls add contrast along with beautiful light from the ample windows and original piazza doors that add additional charm. Both piazzas have new bannisters, decking, and lighting, additional outdoor living to entertain guests or simply relax while taking in the Charleston magic. Each renovated kitchen offers a modern aesthetic with custom marble islands, countertops, and high-end stainless appliances. The kitchen's open to dining living area for a loft-like feel, perfect for hosting family and friends. All 6 bedrooms are spacious and positioned in the rear of the home, creating peaceful retreats to rest after strolling to your favorite restaurants, boutiques, and galleries. The bathrooms have all been restored and updated with modern finishes to pamper yourself after a day on the beach, only 15 minutes away. The magic of South of Broad is just outside your front door. The streets are lined with fine architectural treasures, enchanting gardens, and historic details that feel extraordinarily soulful. 160-162 Trad has so much to offer: a perfect family treasure, a relaxing retreat, or an income-producing investment. Don't miss this valuable opportunity to own a piece of historic Charleston and live the charmed life you deserve.